Hi, welcome to Easy Engineering. Today we're going to talk about compressed air operated drum pumps. I have one in my hand. They're actually quite relatively simple devices. You put the drum pump connected through the small hole on the drum. You put a standpipe normally into the large hole that's on the drum, and with an attachment and then the hose to be able to take the liquid in and out of the drum. The drum pump that I have in my hand is reversible. It has an adjustable knob, one way to fill the drum, one way to empty the drum. How you empty the drum is you actually create a pressure. You simply put compressed air into the drum, it pressurizes, pushes the liquid down into the standpipe and out of the drum. Turning the knob another way, you end up creating a vacuum in the drum, so you end up drawing liquid into the drum. So, very simple devices, but there are certain factors you really got to keep in mind in choosing an effective drum pump that's operated with compressed air. First of all, safety. You don't want to overfill the drum. So one of the important features to look for is the float. You can hear the float as I move it up and down. It should be easily movable. If you're dealing with a sticky material, a sticky liquid, that float should probably be cleaned every once in a while so it does not get stuck. But what happens is, as you're filling the drum and the float goes up with the liquid, it'll hit a pocket up here where you basically cut off the air supply and it stops filling the drum, so you do not overfill. The other safety feature is concerning the pressure that you put into the drum in order to empty it. You do not want to overpressurize the drum. If you overpressurize it, it'll bulge it, it could break it, you could have, if it's corrosive liquid, obviously that could be very dangerous. So you don't want to overpressurize that drum. Different standards are in different countries. Some drums are very thin, some drums are very thick. The ideal drum should be about 1.5 millimeters thick. The maximum pressure you want to put into a drum like that would be no more than 4 pounds pressure. Anything more than that, you can permanently deform that drum and of course cause problems if it damages the drum and has a possible leak. So these are the safety factors you should consider. Also the material of the particular drum pump that you're using. If it's cheap material, plastic, whatever, it could easily break and all those other problems. If it's stainless steel, it's going to be a lot more hardy. If you're dealing with corrosive materials, you might want to consider stainless steel drum pumps as opposed to just regular steel drum pumps. So that's basically a very simple device. Drum pumps, they're very useful to have in environments where there's a lot of liquid around in the environment because there's no electricity involved. It's very portable. Electric pumps tend to wear out in very harsh environments quickly. Compressed air operated drum pumps do tend to last a very long time. So it's a device you should consider in some of your factory applications.